WhatsApp, but today I'm going to introduce us to a new app that's Telegram. We use it mostly in the scholar program for dialogue. So how do you install Telegram into your Android device? First of all, you have to visit Play Store. Once I'm on Play Store, I'll just search for Telegram. You can type in Telegram fully. So I'll click on install Telegram. It may take a little bit of time because my connectivity is not too good today. So just to say, so now Telegram has been installed. I'll click on open to open it on my device. Now I want to create my own Telegram account. So I'll take start messaging. I'm going to allow Telegram access. I'll first of all have to choose my country. I'm based in Cameroon, so I will take Cameroon. You select your own country. I'm going to put in a telephone number. So I have 675. Okay, put in my telephone number that I want to use to create the account. So I'm going to allow Telegram to access my call logs. So there is an SMS. So Telegram sends me a code by SMS to my number, and it automatically uploaded once the code accessed my messages. So I want to type my names. I'll just put in my first name, my last name. So now I am already on Telegram. So that is it. So I can start messaging and everything. I have here the list of my contacts. Can add contacts to Telegram if you want to. So it's the same way as WhatsApp. This I can click on any of the persons on my contact list who are already on Telegram and start a conversation. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you. Bye.